Today I'm here at Parkside on the river. I will be touring you this beautiful model home by Highland Homes. The city is Leander. This area is a big community. It's up to 2,500 or more homes that were built. Coventry, Jesma, Highlands, and Perry Homes are the major builders and they're luxury builders in this one community. A little bit of information about this community. This location is right between the border of Georgetown and Leander. So some of the lots are in the Leander community school district and some are in the Georgetown school district. When you wanted to purchase the home, make sure you talk to your agents or to the sales rep. If you have small young kids that go into school and you want them to be in a certain school district, make sure you let them know. The tax rate in Leander and Georgetown is slightly different. Leander is about 2.65% before homestead. Georgetown is a bit less. So with homestead, you probably be paying about 2.3%. Compared to other area in Texas, I think this is considered to be very low property tax rate with the low 2%. This community is located very convenient. It's very close to freeway access, I-35. I-1 to go to 183 to go to downtown Austin, and to get to the Domain Mall in Austin, it will be around 25 to 30 minutes. That's where the Apple campus is going to be. It is about 25 minutes drive only. A lot of shopping and entertainment in the Cedar Park area because this is like minutes away from Cedar Park. You can find a lot of good restaurants. Costco is nearby. HEB, grocery shopping, Walmart, movie theaters, every single culture food that you can think of is located in Cedar Park, which is about 10 minutes away from this location. All right, so the home that we touring you today is called Leyland Plan. This home has a base price of $745,000, 900, with 2-story, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, with an entertainment room, a family room, a game room, and a lifestyle room. It's called sturdy dining and outdoor living with 3-car garage. Okay, so if you were to build this floor plan, feel free to reach out to me. And right now, we still have a chance to choose different lots to build your homes on. Okay, so let's go tour the inside with me. Since this is a model home, you can see beautiful landscaping has been done. Eventually, if you wanted to buy this model home in the future, this area with the 4 windows there will be converted into a car garage. So it's going to be 2 cars and a tandem, one right in the back. So it's considered to be 3-car garage. Exterior show 2 and then 1 hidden inside the 2-car garage. These landscaping out there will be removed and a driveway can be built on top of that. Entering this Leyland model home, this is the entry. All right, when you enter the house, you can see very high soaring ceilings with a London light up there. On the left of you is the office. Over here to the right is the guest bedroom and the full bath. This model have 1 1/2 more bathroom than the basic home. They upgraded an extra bedroom and an extra 1.5 baths. So it has a total of 4.5 baths, by the way. So going down here, you can see the updated floor with the engineered wood. This model has beautiful staircase, and the way this model was decorated with wallpaper along the side of the staircase. Okay, so this is, I like this little corner here. You can put a plant or some kind of decoration there to make it look a little more cozy. But on the left side, there is a media room. So this media room is located on the 1st floor. We'll check out the 2nd floor and see there is another loft up there. And this is a powder room or half bath, okay? So when you have visitors come by, they can actually use the bathroom right there without interfering your privates. Now, heading down through this area is an open floor plan, family room and dining room together with a lot of windows. You can see a lot of natural lights here. You can set your dining set right here, just like the way it is decorated, with a lot of wines on the wall. wine bottles in the case. And then here is the family room, and it's overlooked directly to your kitchen, okay, with a lot of cabinets. So this home has a very long big island. Here is the combo microwave and oven. If you select to upgrade, you can add another oven as a second oven if you want to. Here are different cabinets with handles or different storage in the area, in the kitchen area. So walking in here, you do have a dishwasher, a nice big sink, and a lot of storage down here. A very professional 6 burners and a vent hood that actually connected to go outside as well. This part is supposed to be the 3rd car garage. The 2-car garage is being used as a sale office. This is the laundry room. Let's go check out the master bedroom before we go upstairs. This home has 3,300 square feet as a base plan. So this is your master. The master is nicely decorated with a lot of nice curtains and wallpaper and a lot of mirrors there to make the room look larger. I kind of like this window because it's kind of pop out a little bit in this area. It's like a bay area. You can put couch or little love seats like this, doing your morning reading or evening magazine review or whatever. Or you can also sit with your laptop working in your bedroom as well. Following this to the master bath. The master bath has a walk-in shower, a private toilet over there, also a standalone tub. So with double vanity and a window in the middle there to give you natural lights when open. Here is your closet. That's the master bedroom, is located downstairs. Walk out here, you can see there is another door to go to the outside patio. We'll be check it out at the end of our tour. Here is also a sliding door from the family room that you can go to your patio as well. 2 different access to your backyard patio. Let's follow me to go to the upstairs. I love this beautiful staircase here. As you going up, there are also windows. Beautiful curve on the ceiling there, showing the architects of Highland Homes. See the wood there, very nice, luxury and clean. From here you can look down to see the front entrance. You can look down from here to see your family room with a lot of natural lights. So bright and nice in here. Another way to look down is from this side of the balcony. You can see your whole dining room. It's dinner time. You can hear it if the kids playing up here. If your mom is calling you down for dinner, no worry, she doesn't need to call you on the cell phone, or she just say it out loud. Everybody here can get that attention. Here's the loft. This is a big loft on the 2nd floor. The way that they have this pop out a little bit here area is for a desk where the kids can do the homework, or maybe dad or mom work from home and want privacy. She or he can be up here as well with a nice window view. Along on the side, there is also a closet for all your office stuff. Storage. This space is pretty big. You see how this home is upgraded with the wood floor all over. It's really nice and easy to clean. When you build home with Highland, the whole process, if you go through the design center, you can actually pick the color and the different wood or tile color that you like for your house. You can also pick the interior painting color for your house as well. There is so many selection that you can choose from. This is the first upstairs bedrooms with a walk-in closet. This is huge, very big closet. There is a bathroom in here that's being shared or being used by this 1 bedroom. There's going to be another bathroom in here for this room. This is the 2nd bedroom upstairs. This is a full bath, so this is like a private master upstairs for your older kid who want to be more private. It also has a walk-in closet as well. In this floor plan right now, it has 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms up on the 2nd floor. Downstairs, it has a master and a guest bedroom, so the total of 4 bedrooms. It also have 2 baths downstairs with a half bath, so it's 4.5 baths and 4 bedrooms. Let's now go down and tour the backyard patio. You can leave From the family room to the patio, or you can use this door. I think I like to open this one. It's easier and it's not as heavy as the sliding door. Look at how whoever designed this backyard is so lovely. Who wouldn't want to live in this kind of backyard? It will give you a lot of relaxing moment and low maintenance. It's just so beautiful that you can just sit here, enjoy the beautiful scene with a cup of coffee. Or if you have family get together for a party, you can do some barbecue, some lunch or dinner outside on the patio here that has a fan installed, high ceilings. You can see from the family room, look at the gazebo out there with a relaxing furnitures. This lot happened to be a private lot because it has no neighbors in the backyard. It's now April. Spring flowers are coming to life. They're so beautiful. See how this area? It looks like you are at the resort. This location right here, you can build a swimming pool, small pool here that will make you look like you're on vacation if you are staying in your backyard after a long working day. Thank you so much for touring with me at this model home called Leyland today. It has 3,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and the model has 4.5 baths. The price is $745,900 with upgrades, with the different elevation and different upgrades that would be added on top of that as well. If you are looking for a home with Highlands to be built or an inventory home, go ahead and contact me. My information is in the back of the video. If you would like me to tour other different homes that you see online that's not on my YouTube channel, feel free to comment and let me know. Thank you. I will be heading to another home to tour you also from the Highland Builder as well shortly. See ya. Bye.